Here we have an Ammco disc and drum brake lathe. We have it hooked up to 120 volts, and we're going to turn it on here and show you that it works. Comes with a work light. Okay, we've got a couple of cutter heads right here, which they adjust out if you need to adjust them. And they adjust in, and then once you get it to where you want, you can lock it in. Okay, as far as your travels, they work manually. And then this one as well. And now they also work automatically, so this one here, you just hit this lever right here and you can adjust your speed, so you can go a little bit faster. That's about the fastest, or you can slow it down and go a little bit slower. Okay, that's your travel for that one. Now you travel for this one travels going this way, and we'll put it on slow first, so this piece will start going that way, which makes your cutters start cutting on your disc. Okay, and then that's the slow speed, and then move it over to your fast speed, and that's your fast speed, and it's coming this way. Okay, it comes with all the attachments. Okay, that is the Ammco brake lathe.